Ray Wang is with us. He's Constellation Research founder and principal analyst, and he is bullish on big tech. Well, welcome to the show, young man. What about Facebook? Are you telling me I got to buy that thing right now?
Hey, happy Friday. You definitely do. It's down 23.5% since its 52-week high. This is a huge opportunity. They've got a lot of stuff coming down the line, including a lot of things in the enterprise that lots of folks may have missed, including Facebook at work.
Okay, now you're not worried about this threat of regulation coming from Congress, and the other threat, which is maybe we'll stick Facebook with liability for some of the stuff that runs on their website. None of that worries you?
I think if you're betting on the long run, Facebook has a lot of upside. It's got commerce coming. It's got different things in payments. They even got cars, healthcare devices coming out of their secret lab, Building 8. So I think on the long run, it's a great time to get in.
Okay, I read your stuff. You're also saying that Google is the next company to be worth $1 trillion. Right now, I notice it's worth $819 billion, so it's got a ways to go. Why are you so bullish on Google?
Well, Google's gone away from it just being a one-trick pony on search. You're looking at a huge run-up on Google Enterprise. When we talk to our clients, almost all of them are considering Google as well as part of their cloud. The cloud part of the business is going to be their fastest growing piece, and they're taking share from Amazon. So as companies start moving to the cloud, like only 7 to 10% of the world's workloads are in the cloud today, and there's a lot of upside as there's a fight and a battle for who's got cloud dominance. And these are enterprise companies putting their tech into the cloud.
By the way, can you tell me what stock price Google has to hit before it becomes $1 trillion company?
I can't remember, but I think it's closer to 1,200 if I remember.
Okay, well, you're 1171 right now, and it's worth 800 billion. So I think you're probably looking more like 1,400 per share to get to $1 trillion. Anyway, but you also say JD.com, that's another potentially $1 trillion company fairly soon in the future. It's nowhere near it now. What's so good about JD.com?
Well, if you think about the e-commerce space, they're third in the marketplace after Amazon and Google, and they're bigger than Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent, and Facebook. And so they're in a unique position for any Western company trying to get into China. They've built the infrastructure to get to the last mile. So if you're delivering something in the western regions of China where there's maybe like a small city, and the small cities in China are like millions, right? You can get out there through JD, and they've got that distribution network, whereas Alibaba pretty much uses everybody else's distribution network. So you see a lot of investment into JD, where lots of organizations are trying to partner with JD so they can access the China market.
The CEO of JD had a run-in with the law just a week or so ago, but you don't think that's a problem at all?
You know, I think it's probably going to pass. It's a blip. It's a chance to get JD while it's cheap. We think that you can get to JD at about we think it's going to end up somewhere around 40 by the end of the year. Their stock has been pummeled because of China and because of a lot of capital investment. But it looks like Amazon in 2014, where they're ramping up their distribution centers, they're ramping up their supply chains, and their investment in tech.
Last one, and I want you to deal with NVIDIA. Now, that's a stock that we've followed very closely because that thing has just gone straight up, absolutely straight up. You think it's going to keep going straight up, right?
You know, there are a lot of factors, and it's IoT, artificial intelligence, what's happening in 5G networks, augmented reality, and blockchain all rely on TPUs. And NVIDIA is one of the leaders in that space, and everyone's looking to them to actually provide the chips. And they're taking a role where Intel used to play that role in terms of that advanced technology, but you're seeing them as partners. You're seeing them in almost every deal where people are trying to figure out what's next in the marketplace.
You know, Ray, if you're not careful, you're going to be on this show fairly regularly on a Friday morning because we like guys who can smile and say, this is going up. We like that kind of thing. Ray Wang, come back soon. See you again later. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Sure.